Hey there, lovely people. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something incredible for you. We're diving into 15 ways to improve your health. You won't believe how these small changes can transform your life, so make sure to stick around till the end. Let's kick things off with our first habit, daily exercise. Whether you're into yoga, jogging, or hitting the gym, getting your body moving every day is a game changer. It's not about perfection, it's about consistency. Habit number 2 is all about balanced nutrition. Say goodbye to processed junk and hello to fresh, whole foods. This isn't a diet, it's a lifestyle change. Remember, you are what you eat. Habit 3, hydration. Water is your best friend. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and you'll be amazed at how it boosts your energy and enhances your skin's radiance. Our fourth habit is quality sleep. It's often underestimated, but getting a solid 7 to 8 hours of deep, uninterrupted sleep is essential for a healthier you. Your body and mind will thank you. Habit number 5, stress management. Life can get hectic, but finding healthy ways to cope with stress is vital. Try meditation, journaling, or simply taking time for yourself. You deserve it. Habit 6, mental well-being. Your mind deserves care too. Practice gratitude, mindfulness, and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Your mental health is a priority. Never forget habit number 7, social connections. Surround yourself with positivity. Building strong relationships and staying connected with loved ones is key to a happier, healthier life. Habit 8, learning and growth. Nurture your curiosity, whether through learning new skills, reading, or pursuing higher education. Personal growth is a lifelong adventure. Habit number 9 is time management. Efficiently organizing your day can reduce stress and boost productivity. Prioritize your tasks and make the most of your time. Habit 10, giving back. Acts of kindness, volunteering, or supporting charitable causes benefit both others and yourself, filling your life with purpose and joy. Now, let's dive into habit 11, sun protection. Taking care of your skin is a must. Wear sunscreen, hats, and sunglasses to shield yourself from harmful UV rays and maintain youthful, healthy skin. Habit 12, regular health checkups. Don't skip those doctor's appointments. Regular checkups can catch health issues early, allowing for better prevention and treatment. Habit 13, mindful eating. Slow down, savor your food, and pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. It'll help you maintain a healthy relationship with food. Habit 14, positive affirmations. Start your day with positivity. Speak kind words to yourself and watch how it transforms your mindset and self-esteem. Our final habit, number 15, is gratitude practice. Cultivate gratitude daily, focusing on the beauty in your life. It's a simple habit that can bring immense happiness. There you have it, our 15 ways to improve your health. Incorporate these into your daily life, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more incredible tips and inspiration. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll catch you in the next video.